Hey guys, so I got a quick video on a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee V6 3.6 engine, two-wheel drive. The power steering was really hard. It would not turn, no communication with the power steering control module, and all this happened after a jump start. So check it out over here. This is the power steering pump, electronic pump on this model. Checked it over here at the red cable, no power coming over there. Pulled up the fuse diagram. So this is the motor pump over here. Check the fuses over here. The relay, everything was fine. It's in the fuse box over here at the IPDM. Fuses, checked all of them just to be on the safe side. Everything looked fine. So this is the cable that was missing the signal. It's supposed to be constant power. 100 amp fuse right over here. Check the owner's manual, did not find it, but it's right over here. It's this fuse block right under here. I've already got the new one installed. This is the old one. You can see the middle 100 amp fuse was blown, probably when they jump started it. Usually I like to get them from the dealer. They did not have it in stock, so I got it from AutoZone. Dorman makes it. You can get it from AutoZone or O'Reilly online. Part number 956601. After installing the fuse, the steering was working fine. Confirmed. Before, there was no communication with the electronic power steering module. Now there was. I was able to communicate, check codes. Yeah, before it won't even let me access the module. So, hoping this will help. Make sure you disconnect the battery before replacing that fusible box. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.